Ooh, God. Y'all see the drip. Anyway, what's up, y'all? It's Captain Baki back with another video, and today we have a special unpacking for you guys. I actually have the Essentials line. It's the brand new one where he just came out with. Chances are it's probably sold out already by the time this video released, but hey, I'm excited to get in because I got in early. Not early, like I was probably Pressure Club, but I got there right at 10 o'clock when it opened. So I actually managed to get everything I wanted. A lot of people lost out on what they wanted. Hopefully I qualified for that free underwear. Hopefully, but let's get into it, y'all. Let's get the pull tab. Yeah, FedEx. Like anyway, I'm actually excited for these colors. Let me see. Cause I felt the socks through the thing, so I know I got some free socks and bets. Love it. Anyways, it was just shipping label. You might care about that. Well, a lot of things I was really excited about with these new. As soon as Jose actually debuted these, is right here is actually the salmon print right here, and also the mints. I was like, you know what? I had to get these. I had to do it to them. I need these in my life right here. And also another thing I was excited for was a new addition to the polo. Because in the commercial they had the burgundy polos, but actually I want to get I got the navy one. I was gonna go back and get it, but sold out just like that. But I'm gonna unpack a couple of these for you guys right now. This is a navy polo. This is actually my first polo by Essentials. But yeah, let's see, go right through here, unsheath that. You try these on. I will do a nice little look. I will try all these on for you guys in a separate video. But here you go. That's the navy polo. Look nice, that bamboo cotton, just fire. Right here, this is the bamboo cotton. This is salmon faded right over here. Open this up for you guys. Ooh, it's fire. Now, I actually loved the fact that this got the salmon and also got the mint over here because I'm trying to add a lot more color into my wardrobe, and I felt like this was a good addition to, because it was any size. It's gonna be next good to the melanin on my skin. There we go, nice. Obviously, I'm trying this on for you guys, but this is a mint. What I love about these also come with their own little labels right here, their own packaging. That's so fire. And this is the mints. These, like I said, these two I was so excited with. Like, and all these colors, like I said, going across this melanin, bro, it's gonna be nice and fire. I love these shirts here. Just to show you how much I love Essentials, like, hold on a second. Actually, yep, to show you how much I love Essentials. These are like it's my dirty pile. I ain't gonna lie. This is the black V-neck right here. I got this over here. And here, this is the navy blue tee right over here. Love that shirt. And my top all favorite is actually just a plain black tee, which is right over here. Nice, fit y'all pretty well. And also the not lastly, right here is the army green right over here. And also I have my hook way back over here. This is actually the first edition of the actual Essentials knitted tee, which actually looks pretty fire. I wore this actually on one of my last video. I was trying Travis Scott, where I tried in a tucked in look, and I actually thought it was really cool. I mean, I'm not disappointed the fact that I didn't get the free underwear, but because obviously people got the early access and everything. But hey, look, I'm not disappointed. Next time I'll get that underwear. I swear to God. But hey, look, I'm still happy with the free socks because I got 3 pairs of items. So they gave me 3 sets of socks. All right, cool. That's good right there. They got me nice black ones, the navy, and also yep, this is the gray right over here. So hey, free stuff, always good. Not gonna complain. Either way, guys, I'm gonna try all this stuff on for you in the next coming video. Quick side note, the buttons say Essentials. Nice little sew detail. I missed it first time around. Fire. And that should be it, guys. I will see you guys next video. And next video, I know I promised you guys a video for back to school, but a lot of things happened. It was a mixture of the hurricane, procrastination, and laziness. All right. Either way, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.